I like the quotes that they have at the beginning. Nobody, I suppose, could devote many years to the study of chemical kinetics without being conscious of the fascination of time and change. This is something that goes outside science into poetry. So in this chapter, we're going to learn about the relationship of time to chemical reactions. It's about how fast or how slow chemical reactions go, and also what can we do to make them go faster or slower? How can we control them? So down here, this is the section from the textbook. Over here, lecture slide number. So the author starts out with a story about lizards and about his kids catching lizards. Kind of a cute story. So lizards are cold-blooded creatures, right? Which means that they do not generate their own body heat. So whatever temperature the environment is, that's what temperature they are. And so when a lizard gets cold, it slows down. And it slows down because all of the chemical processes, the biochemical things going on in its body, slow down as well. And so what the author's children discovered is they could get a big glass of ice water, and they could go and they could throw it on a lizard. They're hard to get close to, but you can probably get close enough to throw cold water on them. Makes the lizard cold, and he's like all of a sudden really slow, and then they could catch the lizard. Great fun, right? And I'm sure they were very kind to the lizards and let them go when they were finished and all of that. And no lizards were harmed, right? But it's interesting, right? So the lizard gets slow because of chemical kinetics. So this is the study of the factors that affect the rates of chemical reactions. Beautiful sound of pages turning. Temperature is one of the things that affects the rate of reaction. We're going to learn about others. Rates of chemical reactions are very important, and if we have the means to control the rates, that can make them very, very useful. So examples are the rate of fuel combustion. So a gasoline-powered car burns gasoline. We want that burning of the gasoline to be controlled, right? We don't want the gas tank on fire. We need to control the reaction. Biochemical reactions, the reactions that are happening in your body right now. Your body is essentially a chemical factory. It's all kinds of amazing chemical reactions that allow you to move your arm and taste things, and it's just really, really amazing. Well, we are not ectotherms. We're not dependent on our exterior temperature, thank goodness. How do we control these different chemical reactions? Most of them are controlled by enzymes, and we'll talk about that briefly a little bit later. Another thing about understanding chemical kinetics and how to affect the rate of a reaction, that can help us figure out how the reactions occur. You know, what exactly is going on.